It's Sunday, April the 10th, 2010, and we're up at Mount Washington. This is the view from our balcony at Deer Lodge. It was snowing like all of the night, and it's still snowing now. As you can see, it's not really stopping people from enjoying the last weekend on Mount Washington. Who knows if they keep it? If it keeps snowing like this, maybe they'll extend it. I said, oh, it's flurrying, almost like a blizzard. And Alex said, it's not really a blizzard. No, it's not really a blizzard. They're just really light and fast flurries. I don't know what that black spot on my lens is. It's really bothering me. Snow coming at us. Like little mosquitoes up there.